Model, 2018 Renault Master MOVANO LL35 3.5T Business 2.3 DCI Low Loader Luton box van with ultra-rare tail lift starstruck. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 109,769. Engine, 2298 cc M9T DCI 130 E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. It will need the turbo replacing, the engine sign is perfect. This is a straightforward, simple bolt-on replacement job, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 owner, cruise control, electric windows, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.